You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
I want to do something special for you. It's your birthday and you're special too. So I brought some guancs from the outer Guanc Zoo. They honk and squonk and sing just for you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. Open your eyes, here's a present. More crazy creatures, don't worry, they're pleasant. They're upside down dweebs on inside out swings. They do things backwards and backwards they sing. Which means happy birthday, happy birthday, happy, happy birthday to you. There's a party today, a once a year occasion. A party is coming your way, your birthday celebration.
Hi Tita Edith, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Sana nagustuhan mo yung napanood mo. Kasi pinaghirapan namin ito mag-asawa eh. Ito lang ang aming makakayang ihandog sa inyo ngayong birthday mo. At sana yung mga susunod mo pang mapapanood ay mas magustuhan mo. Happy birthday!
Game.
Ano? Happy birthday.
Lakas po.
Happy birthday,
Eddie.
Edith. Ako si Peng. Malapit na rin birthday ko. Sabay na tayo.
Ano po wish niya sa Tita Edith?
Hindi kita nakikita, matagal na. Sana humaba pa buhay mo kasing haba ng buhay ko. Happy birthday, ha? Bye-bye.
San, kahit hindi tayo ganong nagkikita, pero nananalaytay pa rin sa atin ang isang magpinsan. Ayun, ganun. Kahit wala tayong ganong banding sa mga nakaraang panahon, sinasabi ko pa rin na ikaw ay isang pinsang buo kung hindi ko pwedeng kalimutan. Ang masasabi ko lang sa kaarawan mo ay be happy and healthy every day na ginagawa mo lagi. At senior citizen ka na. Kailangan magkaapo ka na. Unahan mo ko. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Hi, Ali Edith, happy birthday! Nako, ano na kayo, 60 na kayo. Namimiss ko na kayong lagi. Buot hindi na kayo mag-aerobics dito. Nalulungkot ka ako. Pambira tayo magkita. Sana mabalik uli kayo sa RS. Natutuwa naman ako kahit papano na nasama nyo kami sa birthday nyo. Aling Edith, happy birthday ho. Kahit papano nakarating kami sa nyo, nasama kami dito sa okasyon nyo. Natutuwa ako, sana ako magsama-sama tayo ng ating ginagawa. Lagi kayo ang champion sa ano natin, lagi sa November 1, lagi kayo ang champion, lagi kayo ang merong premyo. Magaling kayong ng mga damit na magaganda, ang gaganda ng mga sinusuot nyo, kaya kayo lagi ang champion. Sana mabalik uli kayo sa RS, yun ang hinihingi ko lagi na kwan. Oh, happy birthday Ali Edith, at nako, sana humaba pa ang buhay nyo, dumami sana ang mga apo nyo, makabawi kayo ng mga babae. Sana magkaapo na kayo ng mga babae para may makasama naman kayo. Oh, Ali Edith, happy birthday
Bye.
Happy birthday, thank you.
Hello, Tita Edith. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Hello, Tita Edith. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Edith. Bye-bye.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Edith. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Lola Edith. Happy birthday, Lola Edith. Bulaga! Happy birthday!
Umiiyak.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Lola Edith! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ted! Happy 60th birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
This is for you, a Chinese happy birthday song. 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐， 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Happy birthday! Bye!
Saan?
Happy birthday, Tita Emmy. Happy birthday, Lola Emmy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Nina. Dadan.
Hi! Happy birthday po, Tita Eden. Oh, Ninang pala. We wish you good health. Sana lagi kayong masaya, pati yung pamilya nyo, Tito Jessie, at yung mga pinsan ko. Sayang wala kami dyan, pero sana sa susunod, maka-attend kami sa mga party nyo. Can I say something, Han?
Happy birthday!
What is your wish?
Good health. Happiness and stay dry.
Yeah, balita namin masyadong maraming baha dyan. Sana hindi na maulit-uli yung dati. We wish you happiness and God bless you all and we miss you all. Bye!
Okay na. Happy birthday! May you have many more birthdays to come! Happy birthday, Tita Edith!
Ay, Edith, kuya mo. At tinora mo. Nandito kami para bumati na
Happy birthday!
ika-60th birthday. Sana maging healthy ka sa iyong birthday at maraming pang birthday to come para makatikim kami ng handa mo.
Ako lang ibang message ko lang sa kanya, kundi good health lang.
Okay? See you on your birthday.
Edith, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Alam ko masaya ka sa birthday mo at masaya rin kami para sa iyo. Nakatapos ka na sa unang yugto ng buhay mo. Sa pangalawa pa ngayon. Marami pang darating na trial sa buhay mo. Alam ko malalagpasan mo lahat yan. At sana, umabot pa tayo ng maraming birthday. Magkikita pa tayong lagi sa 10 taon ng birthday natin. May ka na, Pipeng. Kasi sumiyak.
Ang birthday ba ni Edith? Kailan yun? Kailan ba birthday niya?
Sa 23.
Ah, birthday. Hindi, birthday. O Jessie, ihanda mo na. Birthday na pala yung si Edith. Ihanda mo nang makakain natin. Saka ako malapit na rin ang birthday ko. Kaya lang, matagal din yun dahil Disyembre.
Okay, ano ba? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha? Happy birthday na lang.
Thank you sa makakain namin sa birthday mo. Bye.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ma. Welcome to the world of senior citizen. Well, hindi na mahalata eh. Parang 40 plus lang. Well, ang masasabi ko lang, nanay ko, masarap magluto yan at napaka maalaga mula noon hanggang ngayon. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma. Mwah!
Hello, good evening po. Emerson po, ang pangalawang anak po ni Edith. Binabati ko po ang aking nanay ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy 60th birthday. Sana po ang wish ko sa mama ko, maging masaya at long life. Ma, maraming salamat po sa pag-aalaga at sa baon ko po dito. Maraming salamat. Meron po akong hinanda para sa inyo. Sana po magustuhan mo.
happy birthday. 60 years old ka na, senior ka na, nagkakaedad ka na. Sana medyo ilailo mo na yung sarili mo sa gawaing bahay. Kasi nakakasakit ka na. Stay in good health. Sana kapiling ka pa namin ng maraming taon pa. Thank you sa pag-aaruga simula nung bata. Nandiyan kayo ni Papa para supportahan kami. Hanggang ngayong lumaki na kami, nandiyan pa rin kayong dalawa. Sorry kung minsan nasasagot kita, inaaway kita. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Best mom ka para sa akin. I love you. Happy birthday.